Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play The Crew 2 with friends cross-platform. So first up, you cannot play The Crew 2 with friends on different platforms. This game does not support cross-platform play for teaming up or free roaming. Cross-platform play is limited to matchmaking in specific modes like Grand Race and Demolition Royale, where you will be matched with players from other platforms, but you cannot invite them to your crew. How to play with friends on the same platform. Start The Crew 2. From the main menu, go to the Activities section, select Online Play, choose a game mode like Street Racing or Off-Road. From the multiplayer menu, find the option for crew management, and finally you can invite friends from your platform's friends list to join your crew. How cross-platform matchmaking works. Cross-platform matchmaking is only available in the Grand Race and Demolition Royale modes. You will be placed in a lobby with other players from different platforms through the matchmaking system. You cannot manually invite friends from other platforms to play with you in these modes, and the leaderboard records from other platforms are visible, but you cannot directly compete or play with friends on different platforms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.